So if you're old like me and you have a bad back, one of the reasons you want raised beds is so you don't have to get on the ground so much. You can reach halfway in on a 4x8. So I made this little bench that goes with a raised bed. Just sets right on the edge. You can move it around, you can move it to the end. It's really convenient. So that's our project for today. This is a really simple design. The seat part 16 inches. You can make it 18, 20, whatever you want. I just happen to have a 16-inch piece of wood. Cut a gusset in there because you're going to be sitting on this, moving around. You want it to be strong. And then this piece will be whatever the height is of your raised bed. Mine are 3 2x4s, so that's 10.5 inches. And I put deck screws in here. I don't use nails for anything. Buy deck screws in 50-pound kegs. So 3 across here, 2 on each of the gusset strips, and that made it really sturdy. This is our little garden bench. So fortunately for me, I have a barn full of scrap metal and scrap wood, so most of my stuff is made out of scrap. It doesn't look real pretty, but it's very functional. This literally takes less than an hour to make, and you're going to be so happy that you have this. Good luck.